What if I told you if another path for filmmaking is possible? One where you don't need to do crowdfunding, one where you don't need to look for investors, one you don't need to go to film festivals and go through these old life complications when you have bills to pay and all that. What if you can just live that filmmaking life right now? I'm going to show you. First of all, I'm going to say who this video is not for. If you want to go to the old Hollywood route, writing a script, you want a 2-hour film, and you need to raise a 1 million budget or 5 million, and you need to go through all that, this video is so not going to be for you. I'm probably going to piss you off. And I don't want to do that to you. I'm not one of those people who want to see Hollywood burn down. But I am a realist, and I have to say, hey, we need to adapt. If you just want to go through the old Hollywood way, move to Hollywood and go through all that, good luck to you. I'm rooting for you. You can just pause here and you can just move on. For those who are still here, okay, this is what I'm going to show you. I'm going to start a journey. I've already started a journey here on YouTube, putting YouTube shorts, talking about the filmmaking life. But I also want to create a series where I work behind the scenes of a short film that I'm going to make, because yes, we're going to make an exciting short film and build and grow an audience along the way as I continue to post other types of content on my YouTube channel. Recently, I made a short film called The Veil in the Fog. You can watch it over here. I'll put a link on it. I just shot it and just posted it on YouTube. A lot of friends saw it, family members. I was very happy with the end results. A lot of people like it. I got a lot of views on my YouTube shorts when I was talking about it. But now I'm going to do that again, but I'm going to show you the whole process from ideation to final product. The short film is going to be called They Came, and it's going to be a moody, apocalyptic alien invasion film, kind of like The Quiet Place, but it's going to have sci-fi futuristic elements. Of course, I don't have the budget to shoot like a movie like A Quiet Place. The concept is going to be more simple, grounded, realistic, easy to pull off, and it's going to have actors. At least it's going to have one actor, and no, it's not going to be me. I'm going to actually hire an actor. It will incorporate footage that I've shot before on my stock footage library, which for your information, you can go to the Trust Visual stock footage library and download all the free footage to your heart's content. But yeah, I already shot some apocalyptic scenes before, but I'm going to shoot new footage to combine it to have the results of my short film. Now, each Monday, I'm going to drop a YouTube short to update you on the progress of the short film. I'm going to talk about the concept development, about making props, because I will be using props for the film. Which actor do I end up hiring? Location, behind the scenes footage, sound design, music. I will be taking on this journey of making this short film, and I will not use crowdfunding or any of those things that, again, not putting all the filmmakers who do it, more power to them if you want to go through that route. But I'm just going to show you that we don't necessarily need all that, and we can make something awesome with what we got. Yeah, this short film is going to be awesome. Now, one of the key things is that everything is possible within some boundaries, to show you what's possible on a small scale, because we can do a lot within boundaries. And isn't that not the filmmaking ethos? Where a film is actually well done because there's boundaries, because there's constraints. We talk the talk, but we don't walk the walk. I'm very excited to show you what's possible with just this small product. It's not going to be like this huge monster string, big budget, but it's going to have vibes, it's going to have feelings. You don't need a massive crew, you don't need a massive budget. You just need to be creative and to solve problems. And I cannot wait to show you guys how it comes from my mind, not from my mind, from this concept that's still kind of blurry to the final product. And by the end, I'll do a reflection on how the process went, what things went right, what things went wrong. So I have this vision on my head, but I don't know how accurate it's going to be. I don't know what problems I will face along this journey. I don't know. We'll find out. Robert Rodriguez said that to be a filmmaker is to solve problems. That's what we're doing right now. That's what we're facing. The challenge that we're facing today is all this BS around the film industry, and everybody being doom and gloom, and everybody forgetting that it's like, but this is what we're supposed to be doing. We're supposed to be solving problems. And that is my intention with this project, showing you that there's a way to make this sustainable. Do I have a shot to monetize in the future in this YouTube channel? I don't know, but there's a chance. And if anything, I'm making art and living the life of a filmmaker. It's already a win. Everybody's complaining, oh, nobody's doing original films or no more. We have the platform to do it. It's online. People's attention is online. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a shot at doing something cool, something pure. If we forget and let go of the past. If we let go of nostalgia. And that's what I'm going to do right now here. I'm not just going to talk about this, I'm going to show you. And I hope you follow along.